Maisy at the lake, who's not scared of anything, so you really gotta watch her. Hey, don't get so close to the water, girly. She's got to smell everything, don't you? You hear them seagulls? You hear them seagulls? If I close my eyes and listen, I can pretend I'm at the ocean instead of the lake. The ocean, the port, the coast is where my heart is. What do you smell? Goose poop? Goose poop? We're going. Maisy at the lake. Yeah. Are those gooses?
They're goose and ducks and seagulls.
Yep. Maisy's like, let's just. Maisy's like, let's just smell everything, y'all. Come on, girlfriend. Maisy Bell. Oh, she said, what is that? Don't go over here and smell everything over here. It is 48 degrees in Oklahoma today. Yesterday was, what, 20?
The high was yesterday was like 35.
Yeah, it was cold yesterday because it was windy. And today it's windy, but it's not as cold, so we thought we'd bring Maisy to the lake, walk around, let her smell everything. I'm sure boy dogs have peed there a lot. Huh. All right, come on. You hear that, Maisy?
I wish we could park over where that white truck is so she could get up close and personal with the ducks.
She ain't scared of nothing, so she'd probably be chasing them. Well, she's eating goose poop right now. Or trying to.
Yeah, she's just having a good sniff.
Yeah.
Hey, people that live in cities pay money to go places, go to places where they can let their dogs go house sniffs.
It's true. I've heard that.
It's like Airbnb for dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they can sniff it.
Seems funny to me because of where we live. But I guess if you lived in a city and your dog was an apartment dog, yeah, I could see that. Oh, she's like, what's down there? Oh. We're not really out here walking for exercise. We're out here letting Maisy smell everything.
And all we did was mention that today would be a good day to take her for a ride, and she started bugging us wanting to go.
Yeah, like that was like an hour ago, and she wanted to go outside, so I took her out to potty, and she tried to get in the truck. I was like, this dog is too smart. She's like, what kind of dog peed right here? Come on, girly. This is Lake Park. It has it has 3 playgrounds, and it has a splash pad now. When I was growing up and lived here, it only had 1 playground, but now it has 3 and a splash pad. Yeah. Uh-oh, she found a leaf. Remember in one of the videos I said the leaves had just started falling, and she was chasing them when they were falling and stuff, and I was like, pretty sure she thinks these leaves are for her. And then I told her, just wait until all of them fall. Come on. That was...
Oh, lady, big grassy area.
Wait, wait, wait. Mama's got to go down the hill. Oh, 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 oh. Mama's got to go down the hill. It's got a really pretty bridge over there. And during Christmas, they light all this up with Christmas lights and stuff. And they did a really pretty thing on the bridge. It was really pretty. We brought Maisy to that too. Where you going, girl? I thought we'd go down by the water a little bit, but she found another tree.
The ducks must think we got food.
Oh, yep, here they come. Maisy. Look, Maisy.
Maisy, look, the ducks.
Maisy, look. Maisy, she's like, she don't notice them yet. Let's see if they get out.
There she sees them.
Oh. Oh, they, as soon as she started coming, oh no, here they come again. Maisy, what do you think? She's like, She's like, not interested, thanks anyway. That was funny.
Look at little feet.
Yeah. No, you don't need to go down there. She's like, She had a little foot out like, am I interested in those? And then she's like, no, not really. All right, you ready to go? She's like, no. Tell everybody bye. Bye.